All right, guys. I know you guys have missed me. You've missed seeing my face, and I've missed you guys. Trust me, I've missed you guys, and I want to sincerely appreciate everyone for tuning in, for subscribing to my channel. I can see that my channel is growing, gradually. Yes, by growing gradually. Thank you so much for every of your participation, viewing the video. Thank you so much. I am so happy to be here once again. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly know that I'm Chicks Anthony and I'm a professional Forex trader. And what I do basically is to share my experience. This channel for me is an opportunity to journal my progress. So beforehand, what I was doing was I have a a a library, not a library, a diary where I or a journal where I write down all my trades, or I have all the screenshots of my trades, the ones that went well, the ones that didn't go well. I have all of them. I have them documented. But I don't have um any video or something like this. So I thought to myself that why not just use YouTube as your own as your own diary, or as your social media diary. And I said, okay, if I can do that, then it's fine. Let me do this. So what I'm doing here is telling you the real deal, sharing my own story from trading, and also telling you guys my approach. So I have a Telegram channel where I send out my analysis called the Elite Pips channel. So if you want to join, kindly check the description box. Everything you need to join the channel is there. And also, I want to quickly run through what we have today in the chat. I'm super excited to be here once again. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, share my content, like my content, comment on my content. Yeah. So like this, you are building, contributing to the channel, to the community, and in turn, you are learning. All right, so I have a lot for us today. So let me start by sharing my screen. Kindly confirm if you can hear, if you can see, or if you can see my screen. Sorry, kindly confirm. So I'm trying to make sure that everything is working out. All right, I believe you guys can see my screen. Yes, you should. So what we have here today, I'm going to be talking about Ethereum. I'm going to be talking about GBP USD. I'm going to be talking about New Zealand USD. So I'm seeing and I'm observing a lot of opportunity in the moment. Then I'm going to end with GBP AUD. Then I'm also going to show you guys Euro GBP. So guys, please stay tuned. If you're new, kindly stay tuned, have a chill pill, take something nice and chill, because I'm about to take you guys on a ride. So I'm going to start with Ethereum. Woo! So what is happening? What is happening? What am I seeing in Ethereum? So you remember vividly, if you check my previous video, I called out Ethereum from here. Ethereum was traded around so let me quickly check. As at that time, Ethereum was traded about here. So I have the screenshot. I have the video evidence to prove this point that it happened. So Ethereum was here as at, I think it was below $3,000 per coin. So I was screaming it here on that Ethereum is getting to $4,000 per coin. But believe you me, Ethereum didn't get to $4,000 per coin. However, it came very close, very close. So it came to Ethereum came to $3,900 per coin. Ideally, you don't expect the market to kiss your level. So once I saw that, okay, the market was about, making this um, um, big rejection, the market is refusing to break above, I know that there's a problem. But I want to inform you, I want to tell you guys that Ethereum has gotten to its destination where I analyzed it to get to. So Ethereum is there now, and I'm very, very happy, super happy that this guy got to where I analyzed, So what did I see? Very simple. I've already deleted all my drawings because there's no need. So what I did, simple and straightforward. So I saw this, the market broke this, came back down. I saw this. Upon seeing this, I knew that the next trend of the market is bullish. But this retracement to the downside, I called it. I called it. I remember I called this here. So guys, follow me. Follow me. Don't lose track of me. I called it here. This minor retracement to the downside, I called it. Came back here and then came back up, which is fine. It's fine. So the market refused to break below. So what I did was, once the market went to my favor, I just quickly I broke even, to secure my position. When I checked my market, market has already taken me out in stop loss. It took me out in stop loss. So it's fine. What I did, I just chilled. I didn't do too much. I just chilled. I waited for what we call a confirmation. So I saw that the market was just going bullish. I said, okay, all right, break above this level at $2,800 per coin, of which it did. So it did this once upon this break. I observed that, okay, this guy is really ready for bullish momentum. I called it here and I saw the minor retracement it did. Then immediately I kept on screaming that this guy is going to go bullish. If you're doubting me, check my previous video. You will see it for yourself. You will see it for yourself. All right, so let me move. What we are seeing now, it's normal. It's called profit taking. Big guys, investors, public for government, and all these big OGs, they are doing what we call profit taking. That's why we are seeing some rejection. But does this mean that Bitcoin or Ethereum is selling? Not yet. So what am I seeing? I'm seeing a potential 1, 2, 3. The market came here to kiss this level 4 times. 4 times. So the potential drop down is also there. But for now, I'm off the market. I don't know what the market wants to do, and I don't want to be deceived. Yeah, so I'm off the market. It's nice, no problem, but I'm off the market. So let's go to GBP USD. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. So what happened here? Very, very easy. So I want what I want for this market is bearish. So I want GBP USD to go bearish full time. Trust me, I want it. And if it happens, I'll be so happy. I'll make a lot of money here because I'm ready, preparing, and ready my arsenals to short this bad boy. I need to short this bad boy. What did I see? Well, what am I seeing? What are my confluences? Yes, that's the right question. What are my confluences? You can see trend line. The market broke the trend line, which is okay. So if you guys know a reversal pattern called head and shoulder pattern, you'll notice that was what formed here. This is a head. This is a head. Right shoulder, left shoulder, the neckline of the right shoulder of the this is the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. So the market broke it. I said, okay, that's fine, that's fine. So what we are seeing now is potential retracement to touch or to kiss the neckline before we are dropping. So ideally, what I'm going to be doing is, once I see potential reversal pattern here, let's say weak rejection, excuse me for that. So once I see weak rejection, let's say weak rejection, anything just to indicate that the price wants to go, then I now let's say I now say bearish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle always does the trick. You know, I see bearish engulfing candle. Trust me, I'm going to short this guy. Once my first position is going to be here. Then I'm going to enter another position here. Then I'm going to break even. Then observe the market. The market wants to do anyhow. So once I enter here, then obviously I'll see other positions here to short this guy because this guy is going down, you know, going down. So what am I waiting for? I'll wait for retest here, bearish engulfing candlestick here. Then I enter my first position here. Second position upon this break of this major level, I'm entering. I don't care. I'm not going to wait for retracement. I'll just enter. Then I will wait for retracement later. You know, that's my own pattern of trading. Ideally, you should wait for retracement. But me, I'm not waiting for retracement. I'm going to enter. Then once I see a good pattern to, you know, a good retracement, then I'm going to enter another pattern. So I'm entering three different patterns, three different times upon making sure that the market is moving. Sorry. So I'm going to, let me reiterate, I'm going to enter. I have three positions in mind already. So I'm not chasing the market. First of all, here, upon saying retracement, and I also observe or see a bearish engulfing candle, you know, then I enter first entry. Second entry, I'm going to enter at the break of this level. Third entry, I'm going to enter at the retest of this level. So I know what I want. If I don't see these criteria, I'm not going to enter the market. That's very sad. I'm not going to enter the market. Or I will still find, the truth of the matter is there will always be a way out. So don't go chasing the market. The market is going to come to you. So don't chase the market. So that's my plan for this bad boy. Then, I know, not this guy. AUD, where is AUD? Yes. AUD US, NZD, New Zealand USD is giving me a very, very good impression. So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for this guy to break this level. Once this guy breaks this level, this support level here, I'm going to short you, bro. I'm going to short you, bro, because it is still the same thing happening here. I'm not saying too much. I'm not doing too much. I'm just expecting this guy to just drop. So once he drops, I enter my position and allow it to go. So I only have the luxury of entering one position for now. You understand? So I might not have the luxury of entering multiple positions. However, if the market retraces, the market breaks below this level and maybe retrace a bit, I'm gonna shut you, bro. I'm gonna shut you, bro. So my first entry break of this major minor level. Second entry upon retesting, I'll enter. So I have everything I want the market. I'll just wait for the market. You know, I'm not doing too much, just waiting for the market. Then for Euro GBP. So I remember calling this guy from here, and the guy has got into the designated level, you know. The guy got here, I left the market. So this drop, I didn't see this drop. So when I checked the market, I said, what? I saw the drop. I said, okay. So what I wanted the market to do, if this market can break, if you want to change, let's say you want to go bearish, what do I need to do? I don't need to say too much. Just come here, do a pattern, something, do a breakout, a bearish engulfing pattern, then do a retesting, then I will enter you. You understand? So you see the level here, it came here, took out a lot of stops, then went back up. So if this market wants to still go up, it's fine. You know, I'm no longer interested in this guy at the moment. So I'm okay. I'm okay. From here to here is not that a big deal compared from here to this place. So for now, I am done with Euro GBP, guys. I'm done with this guy. I'm really excited about what this guy did for me, you know. So let's quickly get down to the charts of DXY. So you see that the potentials that this market wants to go bullish. Okay, so you see what I said? You see what I said? I told someone that this market wants to, what's it called? Wants to touch here, touch this level, of which it did. That was why we were saying, you know, the bearish GU selling, GBP selling. So, but it is quite dicey now. I'm beginning to see clearer. You know, I didn't check this guy before, but I'm beginning to see clearer. If DXY decides to drop, watch me, follow me. If DXY decides to drop, that means GU and MU is going to buy. EU is going to buy. But if this guy, you know, retrace and starts shooting to the upside, that means GU and NU is going to sell. That is going to make me to be even more confident in the trade. You know, it's going to make me to be confident in the trade. But for now, hands off. You know, go and chill. Bitcoin did well. Ethereum did well. Euro GBP did well. So I think you should chill. And besides, this is just the beginning of the month. Oh, I didn't wish you guys a happy new month. My bad. My bad. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Please forgive me. Happy new month, guys. You're welcome to the month of August, your month of financial liberation, guys. Welcome to the month. So I think I'm done with today's analysis. If you have questions, if you have comments, please tell me. If you have something or what you want me to do or explain, please inform me. Remember, you can follow me on X, you can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on TikTok, you can join my Telegram channel, you know, follow me on YouTube. Actually, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes? All right. Thank you very much. So I'll stop sharing my screen. You're welcome once again. Thank you for staying through the end of this lengthy video. I hope you've learned one or two things. Please feel free to reach out. Feel free to type the things you want me to work on. I'm here for you guys. Thank you so much. I love you. Remember, subscribe, like, share my content, comment on my content. Please support my channel so that I can get a lot of people to see that Forex trading is real. It pays. At my own journey, you guys, you know, it is easy to scale yourself. You know, it is easy to relate with someone that understands your level or that's not really that far from you. So I'm looking for a big idol. Yes, I have a mentor that I'm looking up to. You know, even with my approach, you could, if you're in the game with my approach, with the way I do my analysis, you should know who I'm talking about. But if you don't know, that's fine. You know, that's fine. That's not why we are here. The most important thing is making sure you learn. Make sure you find someone that you can relate with. Make sure you join a community. You can join my Telegram channel. You know, it's open. Once I put my analysis, you can also bring your suggestions. You know, I'm open, right? I'm open. Thank you very much for listening to me and enjoy your break. Bye.